How to invest in the Metaverse. 2022 Beginner's Guide. The Metaverse is one of the most recent technological developments to rock the crypto industry. We all saw how Facebook even changed its name to Meta because of its involvement in this technology. Many other companies are getting involved, and virtual reality tech is becoming mainstream. Yeah, it's a big deal. So what is the Metaverse? And is it worth all this fuss it's been generating lately? How can you get involved and earn some hard cash yourself? Keep watching and you'll find out. No matter where your interest level in the Metaverse is, this video will show you if you want to either jump in or at the very least dip a timid toe in the water. Welcome to Skillset, your one-stop channel for all things finance, business, marketing and money topics. Of course, the crypto, NFTs and Metaverse. And all blockchain-related topics are not left out. We are a group passionate about seeing you educated about those topics while entertaining you. Don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful, and smash that subscribe button for more videos like this. So back to the topic, how to get involved in the Metaverse. Before we dig right into the nitty-gritty details of investing in the Metaverse, we must first define it, so you at least understand what you're getting yourself into. Maybe you've had a general understanding of the Metaverse and believe it is the future internet. Or you're one with only the slightest idea of the Metaverse and think it's a video game. Whichever one it is, you're not totally wrong. However, you must know that the Metaverse is much bigger, and we will try to simplify it. The best way to explain the Metaverse is that it is a virtual environment where people can interact with one another and in the real world. The word Metaverse was brought to limelight recently, all thanks to Facebook's name change to Meta. However, the phrase, which refers to a fictional computer-generated universe, is thought to have been first used by Neil Stephenson in his 1992 book, Snow Crash. In the Metaverse, you can talk to and hear other humans as 3D avatars, build structures of your own, participate in events and even host your own, earn full-time incomes, acquire real estate, and lots more. Pretty exciting. But you ask, how is all this possible? Not all Metaverse visions are the same. For instance, Meta sees Metaverse as a virtual reality used by businesses and consumers. At the same time, companies like Niantic focus on augmented reality. Regardless, we expect the development to significantly influence virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Other businesses besides Meta, had already begun developing their virtual social worlds. For instance, the online gaming community Roblox has developed a metaverse where users can create their own games and explore inside the games. Another example of a metaverse in a video game is Microsoft's Minecraft. Though a lesser-known example is Microsoft's Mesh, which enables connections from various devices, including the HoloLens 2 and other VR headsets, PCs and mobile devices. Anyone who wants to join any Metaverse apps or experiences can simply log in using a compatible device with an internet connection. You are represented online by an avatar when you sign in, which you can customize to suit the latest fashion. Paying for premium avatar skins or apparel is one possible way that Metaverse operators will be able to earn money. Imagine visiting virtual stores to shop for luxury bags from the comfort of your couch, or attending a virtual party. Amazing! You are preserving the environment while saving time. Strong communities will develop on a social level since people of all economic backgrounds can access the Metaverse. CEO Cole Akos. Well, he's not wrong. So, how do you invest in and earn from this trend? It's safe to say that many aspects of the Metaverse are profitable for you as an investor, so you have several options to consider if you want to start earning. Let's begin with Metaverse Stocks. Based only on the amount of money they can generate from selling cosmetics, Metaverse companies can be pretty successful. Meta Platforms is undoubtedly the most prominent Metaverse stock right now. Since changing its name, Meta has introduced the virtual reality Metaverse platform Horizon Worlds. Users of Horizon Worlds can connect with one another and play games while exploring the virtual environment using their legless avatars. The company has not had much success with its Metaverse service. However, its new Horizon Workrooms is attempting to make it more accessible to office workers. Imagine working from home through your virtual office in, guess this, the Metaverse. $10 billion will be spent on metaverse development by meta platforms in 2022 alone. Whew! There's more. You might want to look at these metaverse stocks as well. Microsoft's Minecraft, and Mesh address the game and office collaboration aspect of the metaverse. The HoloLens VR headset is also from Microsoft. Companies who develop VR hardware may be able to win at the metaverse. For example, Sony's PlayStation VR and HP's Reverb. Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure are basic examples of cloud computing corporations that manage to back-end infrastructure for the metaverse. Also, Akami Technologies and Fastly are two potential data center operators. Roblox, a metaverse platform for gamers and individuals who want to make their own games. Matterport, virtual tours are available for real estate, travel and hospitality, among other industries, thanks to Matterport, a less well-known metaverse player. Unity Software. More than 70% of the top 1,000 mobile games were created on the Unity software gaming development platform. It also delivers simulation advancements for a range of sectors. But this company isn't yet lucrative, just a heads up. NVIDIA. 3D worlds are linked into a single virtual environment via NVIDIA's Omniverse platform. Autodesk creates software that engineers and architects use to build structures and products. Qualcomm and Microsoft are working together on its metaverse. Haptic technology, which provides tactile feedback and has several uses in the metaverse, is created by the unnoticed Metaverse Immersion Corporation. Of course, we must mention the stocks of businesses with little or no exposure to the metaverse. For example, Nike. They have applied for numerous patents to control the virtual footwear and apparel markets. Boeing is also using the metaverse to increase its production capacities. Even Walmart is covertly laying the groundwork for entering the metaverse with plans to launch its own NFT collection and cryptocurrency. Almost every business that can claim ownership of the metaverse is doing it in some form at the moment because it is such a huge trend. Meta versus real estate. Stocks may be an easier way to invest in the metaverse, but real estate is another good option. Two of the most well-known developers of the metaverse are Decentraland and The Sandbox, both of which offer real estate for sale in their virtual communities. These digital real estate tokens take the form of non-fungible tokens produced on blockchain networks and stand in as digital assets. Owning real estate in the metaverse allows you to do several things, like owning a virtual building, rent it out, and attempt to sell it for a profit. An unbelievable sum of $2.5 million was paid for a piece of Decentraland real estate, showing the amount of money that can be made. This particular plot of land is envisaged in the future to contain a sort of fashion district where real-world luxury firms will place advertisements and market digital replicas of their high-end products. You can also make money from your virtual property if you develop it, just like real-world business owners. For instance, Atari created its own cryptocurrency casino using 20 Decentraland blockchain tokens it bought. Atari's native ERC20-based tokens are available for gamblers in that virtual casino. They can place wagers and cash their winnings in cryptocurrency without paying taxes. According to their announcement, the video game developer will build a virtual hotel this year. It's not clear how Atari might generate money off a virtual hotel. However, when it's unveiled, the game developer might provide other investors tips on making money off any virtual real estate they buy. NFTs. NFTs are connected to the metaverse real estate but can represent other asset types. They are presumably used most frequently to signify ownership of digital art. They attest that the work of digital art is unique, either the only original or one of a small number of originals. NFTs can also stand in for many things, including avatars and resources for a specific project. A lot of NFTs are based on the Ethereum blockchain. If you buy metaverse real estate, you might be able to put your virtual artwork on exhibit someplace in the building. Binance refers to NFTs as a bridge to the metaverse because they facilitate identity, community, and social experiences in the virtual world. The cryptocurrency exchange is embracing the fusion of NFTs and the metaverse with its initial game offering, which has amassed more than $16 million in trading volume in just 2 weeks. There was a swift sellout of every NFT collection at the IGO. To buy Metaverse NFTs, you will need an NFT-compatible digital wallet. Then you must visit the Metaverse platform you have chosen to either place a bid on or directly purchase the NFTs you want. Metaverse Cryptocurrencies. The difference between cryptocurrencies and NFTs in the Metaverse is simple. While NFTs represent a specific thing that cannot be traded for another identical item, cryptocurrencies are tokens that represent digital currencies that can be spent in the metaverse. For example, land tokens in the Decentraland metaverses are not interchangeable. You can only use them to create unique items like avatars or wearables. Mana tokens, on the other hand, are exchangeable with other ERC20 tokens, just like an ideal real-world currency. So you may buy land with Mana tokens. Other well-known Metaverse cryptocurrencies include the Sandbox's Sand tokens and Axie Infinity's AXS tokens. They are used to purchase virtual goods and services, vote, and stake to increase rewards. AXS tokens represent the right to vote on decisions that affect the Axie Infinity ecosystem. Even if you don't intend to participate in the metaverse, you can still make money by trading these tokens on cryptocurrency platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Gemini. Like any investment, investing in the metaverse may not be right for everyone, so you might want to think carefully before committing. Remember, never invest money you cannot afford to lose, because everything related to the metaverse is still quite speculative. However, there is this possibility that you can earn massive profits from one, many, or perhaps all of the choices on this list. Virtual reality has been the subject of excitement for a decade, but it appears that not only gaming is catching up with the technology and high-quality VR offers. Applications have exploded in various industries, including fashion, music, education, sports, and more, fueling a rapid increase in demand. As even more systems transition to virtual reality and enter the metaverse, we expect this exciting trend to continue. So that's it for this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch to this point. We hoped you learned something and that you had fun while at it. If that's the case, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We would be glad to get your feedback and comments on what you'd like us to talk about next time. We're here for your questions, inputs, and comments.